If you have been fully vaccinated against the coronavirus, then this information is for you. The CDC just released guidelines on what you can do and what you should still avoid. The agency says fully vaccinated people can visit with other fully vaccinated people inside without wearing masks or physical distancing. They can also visit with unvaccinated people from a single household who are at low risk for severe disease without wearing a mask or physical distancing. They also do not need to quarantine after a known exposure as long as they have no symptoms. However, the CDC says it's still important to wear a mask and physical distance in public and avoid medium and large-sized in-person gatherings. The CDC defines fully vaccinated to mean that at least 2 weeks have passed since a person has received the second shot of a 2-dose vaccine or 1 dose of a single-dose vaccine. A small study suggests that wearing a face mask during intense exercise is safe for healthy people. Italian researchers studied a dozen people while they used an exercise bike with and without a face mask. They measured the participants' breathing, heart activity, and the levels of oxygen in their blood. They detected modest differences in some measurements, but the scientists say the results do not indicate any risk to health. However, they add it should not be assumed the same is true for someone with a lung or heart condition. As more clinical trials for cancer drugs are conducted outside of the U.S., fewer African-American patients are being included. That's according to a new study from New York's Mount Sinai Hospital, which looked at 21 cancer clinical trials that led to FDA approvals. It shows, on average, global trials enrolled less than half the proportion of black patients than those conducted in the U.S. Researchers say they hope these results will create policies focused on closing the racial gap in cancer research and care. Stay with us. We'll have another look at your Monday evening weather planner when we come back.